Go. I was trying to get your radio before, sir. Hey, 018, I was trying to get your radio before, man, but like I said, Mother Nature got me on a big zero. Hello. Yes, sir. Right back, right back. Have a blessed weekend. Have a happy holiday. Oh, Donkey Stomper. Donkey Stomper, 018, the Beavis. Go right ahead. Now that was a train wreck. The last man on the key was Beavis, and I heard him say back quiet. I said, that was a hell of a train wreck. And the last thing I heard was the last man standing, old Beavis on the key saying he back quiet. Train wreck, uh-oh. Come on. Check it. I think listen, that was a colossal train wreck, but I think I was able to make out 3 people. I think I was able to make out Gump, 018, and Road Dog. Let the video game tell it. I might have called it wrong.